Good morning. So I was actually already awake, but I took a little nap and I just woke up again. So it's time to get the day started. First, I'm gonna write down the things that I'm actually gonna do so that I actually remember to do them. So I use Notion to plan my day. It's the weather today. Alright, today's agenda. So first, I'm gonna eat breakfast and then go for a walk, go to the gym, go back home, shower, get ready, okay, whatever, run some errands, and if I have time, maybe thrift. Okay, so we're set for today. Hopefully I stick to the plan. Let's go. This took a while. For the way you pump your fist, how you brush your hair from my feet. So for breakfast, all I had was pandesal because I don't really get hungry in the morning, and I usually love pairing this with coffee or hot chocolate, and it's good enough for me. So I just finished eating 3 pandesals and I'm breaking out. Now I'm gonna wrap up before I go on a walk because it's cold. I'm not trying to get sick again. I've been really sick for the past 4 days. Like, I've been looking like Rudolph and my voice has been sounding like Pop Smoke. So we got this hoodie. Alright, we're ready to go. I'm gonna just try to hide my pimple. I look like a Teletubby.
Oh, no, 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 no.
So that walk didn't really go so well. I still want a little bit of cardio though, so I think I'm gonna go play basketball instead and then go straight to the gym afterwards. I am so sorry, I look so crusty without lashes, but I'm not gonna wear makeup to the gym. I'm just gonna sweat it all off. So we're gonna be going to my favorite court. So I just pulled up to the court and it's empty. Okay, I'm gonna go off. Like, there's no one. Okay. It's all to myself. It's kind of cold, but hopefully I can warm up as quickly as I can.
Me voy a matar, este es mi último. Wee.
Yeah, I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good, I would call her. Wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bag and a 6'4" quad. I wish I was like 6'9".
These 2 guys came, so I got shy. Now we're on the way to the gym. Yo, I'm so drunk. So that was actually just my 3rd day of coming to a gym and working out, and I almost died. Like, I'm just kidding. I had a really intense workout. I was doing a I was doing a circuit exercise thing, and let me tell you, I literally almost passed out. My arms were so dead afterwards.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
I think it's time to actually buy cute workout clothes now, because I tried to like hold it off. I was gonna buy it first and work out, hoping it would motivate me, but I was like, no, I have to discipline myself. I'm gonna work out first. Okay, I'm gonna work out for a week straight first. Like, not every day, but like a whole week of me like working out. So we already ate breakfast. We tried to go for a walk. Just finished going to the gym. So now it's time to shower, get ready, and then run some errands and maybe have a little bit of time to thrift. Hopefully start getting used to me without makeup because I'm low-key starting to accept my flaws.
3 hours later.
Hi guys, so I accidentally fell asleep after eating lunch and now I don't really have time to do anything and I have to go pick up my boyfriend now, so I guess he's gonna come with me run some errands. Hello! So we're gonna stop by Winners and HomeSense to... What am I saying? So we're gonna stop by HomeSense to look for like, you know those like container thingies that people have for their fridge? Yeah, we're gonna be buying some because we impulsively bought a mini fridge at like 11 p.m. at night at Walmart. Walmart was like closing and we just bought it like 5 minutes before closing. So yeah, it'd be really cute to it'd be really cute to organize our new little mini fridge and fill it with some goodies. I feel like such an adult whenever I like go to HomeSense and like look for like home stuff. Yeah, I feel very adult. I can't wait for the day where like I'm shopping for like home decor. Like I can see it in the near future. That'd be really good content as well, but I can't wait for the day where I'm like decorating my apartment or my home. This is cute. It's oversized. Hey. This is not what we came here for. We've been in this store for 10 minutes now and we haven't gone to what we needed yet because we keep getting distracted. Are these it? Oh no, these are for... Wait, hold on. These are like different though. These are like organizing. These aren't the ones for the fridge though. Those are for eggs. Something like this. Oh look, this has a lot of stuff. We need some like open ones too. You wanna try going to Dollar Tree? Workout clothes. Should I? That's all we got. Okay, so we're at Dollar Tree, but I kind of don't want to bring the camera in, so I'll be right back with the goodies. Ooh, hello, Mr. Sun. So we didn't end up finding anything cute, except for peace tea. These were my favorite when I was young. So we didn't find anything cute at Dollar Tree, so now we're gonna go to Dollarama and check there. Ouch. But yeah, we're gonna buy snacks and drinks and fruits to fill it all up with. I'm so excited. I love watching those TikToks of like people organizing their fridge or like their mini fridge. It's so satisfying. I'm gonna try making one of those. We'll see. So we just finished our grocery trip and got a lot of... Hello. So we just... He's been so hungry this whole time. I feel so bad. We just finished our grocery trip and we got a lot of our favorite goodies. My favorite snacks, mostly the Filipino snacks. But I can't wait to go home and organize everything. I'm so excited. Hello, we are home. Hello, so we're home and we bought a lot. Like, let me show you guys. We bought all of these snacks to put in our mini fridge. There's only oranges in there. So the last thing that I have to do tonight is organize all of these snacks, put them in containers. Yo, my tripod right now is actually so funny. What is that?
What is that?
Anyway, alright, so we actually did a lot today. You guys spent almost the whole day with me. Wow. Look at us getting so close. Hello. Man, I feel so accomplished today. So we ate breakfast, we went for a walk. Gym, coffee, errands. Didn't really get to thrift because I didn't have enough time, but it's okay, it was worth it. So I'm just gonna wash the fruits that I have. We got a bunch of my favorite snacks and fruits, and I cannot wait to put them all in the fridge and eat them in 3 days. I'm just kidding. Where do I even begin? Should I do a haul? I'm just gonna show you guys the snacks that I got before I put them in the fridge. But we got these mini Coca-Cola bottles. Got these naked smoothies. One is green machine, which is kiwi and apple, and is that lettuce? And mango. The biggest reason why I got them is because of how cute they would look. We also got these dip snacks with broccoli and carrots, and it has ranch. This one has tomatoes, and this one has peas. And the reason why everything is by 2 is because me and my boyfriend don't like sharing. We just like having like one each. Coffee. Not all of these are gonna go in the mini fridge. We're gonna have like the dry snacks like on top. So we also got, I'm so sorry, I know we bought so many of these like cute little bottles. How do you say this?
Mogu mogu.
Huh?
Mogu mogu.
Mogu mogu. So we wanted to have like a variety of small cute drinks. So this is our 3rd drink. And this one is the lychee flavor. Is that what it is? I thought it was strawberry because it's pink. More juices. We got some juice boxes. We tried to be healthy. And last but not least, cranberry juice, because it has lots of health benefits, I think. Okay, now for chips. We bought a lot. So we got oishi, tempura, D-cut.
Do I look like...
Yo, this is bomb. If you've never had chicharon ni Mang Juan, you're missing out. Did I say D-cut earlier? That's something else. This is Nova. It wasn't D-cut. I'm so sorry. It was Nova. Clover. I used to love these as a kid. Like, I loved them. This is a ham and cheese flavor though, which I've never had. And then we got something that we've never had, which is nori. So it's like little crackers with seaweed wrapped around them. Starbucks Frappuccino, Mountain Dew, this is not mine, and Pepsi Zero. I know, hold on, my lashes are falling. I really want to make one of those like organization videos, organizing my mini fridge video on TikTok. So I'll just show you guys a before and after, okay? And she's empty right now, except for the smoothies. I put them in as soon as I saw them again because I didn't want it to go bad. This is her. And Melona, I forgot about this. We put Melona, my favorite. And I'll show you guys what it looks like after. So we finally did it. I feel super drained right now. I did a lot today. Thank you so much for sticking around for the whole day with me, trying to be productive. Hopefully you have a great day or a great night. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you'd like to see more of my videos. I will be posting every week. Have a great day. Good night. Bye. Okay, the day is over. So sad.